Hi guys, so for today's video, I am going to be sharing how I created this look. So let's begin. I'm going to take Aquaholic hydrating stick and I'm going to apply it all over my face for that hydration. Next up, I'm going to apply the face forward primer stick all over my T-zone, and I really love this primer. To add some foundation, I'm going to be applying Ace of Face foundation in the shade 32 all over my face and neck. I'm going to blend it with the help of a buffing brush. Taking this Magic Wand waterproof concealer in the shade 30, I'm going to apply it underneath my eyes, around my nose, chin and forehead to cancel out any kind of darkness. I'm now going to bake underneath my eyes. So for that, I'm using All Set to Go banana powder. I'm now going to take Contour de Force face palette and I am going to be contouring my face. I'm going to contour the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline and a little bit of my forehead. So now I'm going to remove my baking powder with the help of a fluffy brush. So I'm going to apply blush from the same palette and I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks, chin and nose to get that flushed look. I'm going to take the Arc Rival 3-in-1 brow shaper and I'm going to first brush out my hair with the help of a spoolie, and then with the help of a pencil I'm going to draw in small strokes, and after that I'm going to be filling it with the powder. Taking my absolute favorite Blend the Rule eyeshadow palette and I'm going to apply this brown shade all over my eyelids. Blending is the key, you guys. I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm going to blend the edges. Taking Eyes and Shine shadow crayon, I'm going to apply it all over my eye. After I'm done applying the eyeshadow evenly, I'm going to blend it with a blending brush. I'm now going to apply the Lash Mob Limitless Mascara on my upper lashes. This is my absolute favorite kajal. This is the Colophona Intense Kajal. I'm going to apply it on my waterline and I'm then going to smudge it with a pencil brush. Taking Sugar Glow and Behold Jelly Highlighter in the shade 03 and I'm going to apply it in the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm also going to highlight my brow. Taking this gorgeous highlighter, I'm going to be applying it on the highest points of my face. Applying this beautiful transfer proof matte attack lipstick in Peachwood. I created two hairstyles for this video. For the first one, I added some earrings, mangtika, and I braided my hair. For the second one, I tied my hair in a bun and added a little bindi. So please do let me know in the comment section which is the hairstyle you like the most on me. I will see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.